In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset NinjaTrader. Now, we're going to be talking about how to actually reset the database and, of course, kind of your history and stuff like that. But if you want to know how to reset things like simulation accounts or demo accounts, I do have a separate video teaching you exactly how to reset those as well, okay? But this one's going to focus on resetting the database. So what you want to do is open up NinjaTrader. You want to go to Tools up top over here on the left. Of course, from here, you want to go to Database Management, so just click on that. And then inside here, you can see towards the bottom, it says Reset DB. So you want to click on Reset DB, which stands for Reset Database. And then from here, you can see it says this will remove historical trade data from the database. It will not remove chart data. So whatever you want to remove, you want to go and click on the buttons and then click on Reset over here, which is going to help you reset your NinjaTrader. So if I actually do this and hit the Reset button, it's going to ask you if you're sure, and this is going to remove your selected historical trade data and any associated strategies. Just click on the Yes button, and that's essentially all you have to do to reset your NinjaTrader, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.